Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from a Wing Chun training session. It is cross-arm Chi Sao, but this is based on trapping hands, both attacking and countering. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Let's take our first trap from here. So this is going to be a one-sided drill to start with. So I'm going to come in, attack the elbow with the Pak Sao. When Keith counters, the Pak Sao hand is right here. This is going to come up, and I'm going to step across to take the trap. You could side palm, you can back fist, or straight punch. So again, from here, I'm going to half step in, Pak Sao, trap from underneath as I step across, the arm is pinned, and strike. One more time. Coming in, Pak Sao, come from underneath, lop and strike. Keith, come to me. Go ahead. And one more. Very nice. So let's take the next one, moving to the inside as a setup. So from here, I'm going to move inside. I'm going to Yun Sao or Lao Sao, come around, check, follow this, fire the side palm, draw him out, so he's going to use a Wu Sao to cover, and I'm going to take this same Lop Sao from underneath to follow it through. So from here, I'm going to move out, check, fire, step again, 1 and 2. Go on the other side for me, so they get a little different view. So, I'm coming in, I check, I fire this, he puts up the Wu Sao to counter. I'm going to feed from underneath again, 1 and 2. So again, coming across, 1, 2, and then you can finish up with a Pak and punch. One more time on this side. Coming through, strike, strike, strike again. Yun Lao, check, side turn, come from underneath again, 1 and 2. So I draw his Wu Sao out using my side palm. So let's move into a defensive posture now. So I'm going to counter, so we're going to start again from the cross arm. Keith is going to lop and punch. Now we're going to walk through this. He's pulling me in this direction. Once this arm goes down, this deltoid's not going to stop him. If, as he would start to pull, I can counter before he gets my arm down, it's one thing. But here we're going to take it that you got caught off guard. You're going to get pulled off the line. I'm going to turn into it, Pak Sao Gang Sao. My Gang Sao is going to come inside. I'm going to lop and again follow with a side turn. From here, I'm going to take my side palm, turn it into a Jut Sao, and follow again with a Jing Jern or vertical palm to the jaw. So again, he comes through. I counter Pak Sao Gang. I move inside. 1. I take this. I counter as I palm strike. Pak Gang, inside strike. Turn it in. And one more. Lop Sao, Pak Gang, come in. Side palm, turn it in, Jing Jern. So let's take a variation to what we just did. We countered inside, now let's counter outside. So the same thing, Keith's going to come in. He's going to feed it, I'm going to release Pak Gang here, I'm going to jut. And again, I chun against my own arm, Chun Sao. I'm going to lop and punch. And then you're going to Lin Wan. Okay, Lin Wan Chun is you're just going to chain punch from here. Just another variation. So coming through, release, Jut Chun, lop and punch, and let's just chain punch from the outside. One more time. Coming through, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So different schools of thought. So here we're going to take a variation where when you did the Gang Sao, you couldn't get your arm out. So when he grabs, he's not just doing this where I could swing out, he's actually going to use his thumb to grab. So we're going to cheat this angle just a little bit. So he's going to take the lop and the punch with the grab. This arm is done, but I still have to deal with this arm. So as that arm comes, go ahead, I want to adjust, create space, and I'm still going to use the Pak. This arm is not going to come through, but I'm looking to do my best to get it up. So again, let's take that piece. Going to come, I'm going to release and Pak. So from here, it doesn't matter if you want a backhand, back fist, buji, half fist, or punch. So again, coming through, I take the release, I cover from here, I backhand or a buji or back fist. Now from here, This now comes back to where we link our basics together. This is a cross arm grab. So I want to learn to attack his balance, and the weakness here is going against the thumb. So I want to lead him. Hold tight. I want to lead him a little bit. So I want to attack his balance. I'm going to attack his power in the thumb. I'm going to rotate back around just like my tan. I'm going to disperse with it. Behind the elbow is the Golgi body, right? It's a nerve body. I want to push, pull, check it out, and then take my strike. So moving through, I turn, I cover it, I strike, I lead, I come back, push, pull, and work my way in. One more like this, and I'll show you another variation. Coming through here, here, lead and check, pull. And the last way we'll do it, same thing. I'm here, I'm going to lead. I'm just going to open this up. You can see I'm going to lead, I'm going to attack toward his thumb, and I'm going to yun over the top and follow the same way. So one more time with that. I'm coming through, I strike, I lead, I come around, and I hit. So now let's take an offensive, defensive situation. So we're going to attack, he's going to counter, and we're going to counter again. All off the same piece. So here I'm going to take my lop, and Keith sees it's a straight punch. He identifies the elbow, he goes into Bong Sao. Now he's going to do his Lop Sao, and he's going to fire a shot. I'm going to step off using a Chun Sao. I'm going to thread against my arm and up. I'm going to come down, Lop Sao and punch, stay there. So then in the Silam Tao, after you take your punch, you do a Yun Sao. So we're going to utilize that from here. I'm going to yun his hand and take the trap on top. So I'm going to punch and cover across the trap. So again, I lop and I punch, he Bong Saos. I Chun Sao, Lop Sao punch, I cover across and take the trap. Again, lop and punch, counter with the bone, counter the bone with the chun, lop and punch, cover across, and trap.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.